Hello everyone, my name is Phúc Lâm. I'm class 5A at the school. Today I will talk about the topic living in harmony with nature. My presentation includes three main parts. The first, what is nature? Second, what have we done with our nature? And the last is what can we do to protect our nature? Our nature is our home where we live in. But our nature is polluted today because we did many things that destroyed nature. And the question today is how to protect our nature and how to save our life. To protect our nature, we need to first put rubbish into the bin. We have to classify our rubbish and remember to put them into the right bin. We need to plant trees on the balcony or at the park. And we can recycle rubbish, for example, plastic bottle and plastic tube. Or even stop using the plastic products. Don't make waste water. To protect our water, we need to protect our ocean. We need to protect our ocean. Remember, don't throw rubbish on the beach. Don't throw rubbish on the road or the street. Tell the people don't throw rubbish on the road or street or in the forest. Turn off the water while we don't use them. Protect animals around us. Don't kill insects and animals, and don't eat many animals' meat. Don't hurt animals. Save our nature. We save our nature and we build a good future. Goodbye everyone.